Let's look at how we graph exponential functions in MyOpenMath. We need to start by picking the shape of the graph, and exponential looks like this curve. Then you need to put 2 points on the graph. So I'm going to say when I plug in 0, I would get 1, and when I plug in 1, I would get 3. Using the y-intercept and then putting in 1 is usually the easiest way to graph a simple b to the x kind of problem. Given negative b to the x, I would still start with the shape. I would plug in 0, which this time gives me negative 1, and when I plug in 1, I get a negative 3, so this looks like a reflection over the x-axis. When you get to transformations, it's important to know that you can only graph integer coordinates of the function. So if you wanted to graph something like a half or a fourth, it's not going to allow you to do that, so you need to have clear points that you're putting in. So with 4 to the x minus 3, I think that this is a transformation to the right 3 units. So where I used to go through 0, 1, now I'm going to move 1, 2, 3, and I'll have 3, 1. So I grab my shape, I go to 3, 1, and I put a point. After that, I could think the next number over is 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. 4 to the 1 is 4. So that will show me how quickly this function is going to curve.